Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another capsule of JEE, NEET and CUET where we learn physics by solving problems. आइए देखते हैं आज के क्या हमारे सवाल हैं. So in this question हमें एक क्यूब के बारे में बताया गया है whose side is B and we have to find the electrostatic potential energy such that a charge plus Q is placed at the center. Right, थोड़ा सा visualize कर लेते हैं. Let's draw the diagram. So इस क्यूब में लेट्स से 8 कॉर्नर्स आर देयर एंड इन 8 कॉर्नर पे हमारे पास 8 माइनस क्यू चार्जेस. ऑल दीज आर माइनस क्यू ईच. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट कि हम लोग 4 बॉडी डायगोनल्स इसमें बना सकते. वेल ये 4 बॉडी डायगोनल्स अगर हम नेमिंग कर दें लाइक ए बी जी एंड एच, तो ये 4 बॉडी डायगोनल्स आर बिटवीन बी ई एफ सी ए एच एंड G and D. तो G D and F C ऑलमोस्ट कोइंसाइड करते हुए दिख रहे हैं. सो ये जो सेंटर है जहाँ पे ये these 4 diagonals are crossing, let us say यहाँ पे they have put this charge plus Q, right? So अब इसको और बेटर समझने के लिए let's take it like this. We take this phase diagonal AC, this side CH and this body diagonal AH. So इसको अगर मैं दोबारा से बनाता हूं, सी ध्यान से देखना, A, C and H, if I make it again, तो कुछ हमें ऐसा दिखेगा where this is A, C and H. हम इसको सामने से देख रहे हैं. तो here you have got minus Q, C पे भी we have got a minus Q and H पे also we have got a minus Q. And at the center of AH we have got this charge plus Q. So ये क्यों किया? So that we can note the distance between each. Now it is given that all the sides of the cube are B, right? So this is B. If that is B, then CH here is B and AC is face diagonal. तो face diagonal आपको पता होगा is root 2B. And based on that, using Pythagoras theorem, your AH should be root 3B. This part, let us say this is point O. This is point O. This part AO is root 3B by 2. Right? Now, so if I say potential energy between A and O, फिर हमारा जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? UAO is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into minus Q divided by इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस इज root 3B by 2. So it becomes 2. Right? Now you can see that AO, BO, CO, that means from the corner, from all the 8 corners to the center O, distance is exactly same. But total potential energy at O, because you have to find the total potential energy on this of this cube. So therefore, total potential energy UT can be written as UAO plus UBO plus करते 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 ultimately UHO. So all these 8 values are to be added and all of them are identical. So we can write ultimately it's 8 into negative Q square divided by 2 root 3 pi epsilon naught B. So it is the simplified form of this formula. It is UAO. So 2 यहाँ पे भी cancel out हो जाएगा. You are left with 4. So finally the answer is 4Q square negative का upon root 3 pi epsilon naught B. You can see that option C is what we have arrived at. So hence this is our right option. I hope this part is clear. We have been given a parallel plate capacitor with air. So there is nothing between and the separation is D, voltage is V. Say this has got a plus Q charge and the other one has got a negative Q charge, right? Area of each plate is, let us say, force applied by either plate on the other, right? जैसे plate A ले लिया हमने, ये plate B के ऊपर the force that it is applying is always charge on the plate to electric field. जो electric field एक plate की वजह से है. The total एक plate की वजह से what we have got is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Sigma is charge per unit area, so it will become half q square by epsilon naught. Now we know that capacitance of a parallel plate air capacity is epsilon naught A by D. So let's do one thing. Let's write it as epsilon naught A by D, but एक D हम extra लेकर आए, so multiply that. And we know that charge for a capacitor Q is equal to your C times V. So if you put it over here, then it is C square V square. So on simplification, it becomes half C square V square upon C times D, right? So one C can be cancelled out, and what do we get? We get C V square by 2D. So you can see that D is the right option. Clear, bachon? In this question, again we have been given a parallel plate capacitor, right? When air is the medium, its value is 6 microfarad. When some other dielectric medium is present, it becomes 30 microfarad. So we have to find permittivity of the medium. That means we have been asked to find epsilon m, right? Now we know that the capacitance of any air capacitor becomes dielectric constant times the original value. C, capacitance with any medium, अगर वो C है, then C becomes K times C naught, where C naught is for the air capacitor. So we can write your dielectric constant K is C by C naught, in this case 30 by 6, that is 5. So 5 is the value of the dielectric medium. We also know permittivity of the medium is actually equal to dielectric constant times the permittivity in free space. So K is 5 into epsilon naught value is already given to us. That's 8.85 into 10 to the power minus. When you multiply these two, it will come out as 44 into 10 to the power minus 12, which can be further written as 0.44 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb square per Newton per meter square. So we can see that answer हमारा C होना चाहिए. I hope it's clear. In this question, let's take this point as A, this point as B, C. I'm not taking. Say this is D and this is E. Now see, when charge reaches the junction B, it can see a path through BED and a path through BD. A BD में there is a capacitor, तो थोड़ा चार्ज को पहुंचने में डिले होगा, बट BED बिल्कुल फ्री पाथ है, कोई वहां पे रुकावट नहीं है. सो द चार्ज विल प्रेफर टू मूव थ्रू BED इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग थ्रू BD. दिस इज कॉल्ड यू हैव शॉर्टेड द सर्किट. ये शॉर्ट हो गया, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स योर BD इज नाउ इनवैलिड, वहां से कुछ नहीं जाएगा. नया सर्किट दैट वी कैन थिंक अबाउट is as if BD does not, the arm BD does not exist. तो अब हम इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, it's your A, BD is gone, so this is your A and this is right. So now these two capacitors are in parallel, and we know that in parallel your equivalent is always sum of the capacitors. So the answer should be 2C, which seems to be our option C, right? Thank you. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned a bit of physics by solving these problems. See you again in the next episode of our capsule. Take care.